Here's a GRE geometry question. Let's take a look. The two shorter legs of a right triangle are B and H, respectively. If H equals 3B, what is the length of the hypotenuse in terms of B? All right, so we got all sorts of fun things going on here. Let's draw this triangle out, right? So it's a right triangle, meaning that there's a right angle right there. And they say the two shorter legs of the triangle. So we're talking about this one and this one. Why don't we call this B and this is H? And we're told that H is equal to 3B. So we might as well just label this as 3B in case we need it. What is the length of the hypotenuse in terms of B? Well, if some alarm bells are going off in your head right now saying Pythagorean theorem, the alarm is in working order because that's exactly what we need to do here. We need the Pythagorean theorem. Now, I'm going to do this algebraically, but at the end, I'm going to suggest another way to do it that might be a little bit quicker. So if we know our Pythagorean theorem, we know that a squared plus b squared, or the first side squared plus the second side squared equals, let's call this the side C. So this squared plus this squared equals that squared. Well, let's write it out. B squared plus 3b, the whole quantity squared, equals that thing squared. And if I evaluate this, I get 3b times 3b. Well, that's 9b squared equals c squared. And then I need to take the square root of it. Take the square root. And what do I get? I get the square root of b squared plus 9b squared, which is answer option B. Now, as I said, there is another way to do this. What is that way? It's just choosing numbers, right? The answer options are written in terms of variables, and the questions are written in terms of variables. So you might as well pick a number for H. I don't know, say 1, and then you could say, sorry, B is 1, and then H would be 3, right? And then plug it in and solve, and then see which one gives you the same answer option. But the algebra here is not too wild, so the correct answer is B. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.